You trying to reach your toy, Logan? Huh? You trying to reach your toy? Huh? Huh? You trying to reach your toy? Yeah? Oh, there you go. Grab your toy. Yeah. You going? Oh, that's right. That's your lion toy. It's your lion toy. It's okay. It's okay, my love. Yeah?
You know what? I don't care. Captain Kirk wasn't able to make
You're doing so good. You gonna roll over? You gonna try to roll over? Oh. You can do it, baby. I know. Yeah, it's gotta be frustrating. You're doing so good, Logan. You're doing so good, Logan. Look at you. Look at you. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, come on, you can do it. Push with that leg. Push with that leg. You can do it. You can do it, Logan. Oh, almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Oh, you're doing so good, Logan. Just a little bit more. You're almost there. I know. It must be frustrating not being able to move where you want to. I'd cry too. I'd cry too. Oh, okay. Mommy will help.